Hello folks, today we're doing a new construction inspection and I wanted to share with you something that I learned as a young man on the construction site. So let me dedicate this video to my old good friend Jack Riley and business partner from past years, also to Jeff Knight, a good friend of mine, an old friend of mine, because he was here when I learned this lesson. I learned it the hard way. Okay, and it's called SST, or Stack the Studs Stupid, SSS. Okay, there you go, SSS. Something I kind of called it. Stack the Studs Stupid. All right, so what that means is, see how my studs are here, coming up here from the floor. And we haven't got downstairs yet, so we don't know what's happening with that. But I'm not going to worry about that too much. But I am looking at this. And you see right here, I don't have my floor joist stacked up on top of my studs. And as I was taught, and which is true, you literally have, now this is going to create a whole bunch of trouble getting anything up and through here. Now I have a second floor, so if it's going back to the other direction, which I will look at shortly, this just even creating more of a problem. Stack the studs stupid. Come on, you can't be that. You're supposed to be in construction. I learned that as a young man who just barely understood how to even hardly build houses at the time. And my friends, Jack and Jeff, they just still probably laugh at me to this day. But hey, I snuck in there in the middle of the night. I snuck in there early in the morning. It was still kind of dark that morning. And I went in there and I ripped out that whole wall before everybody showed up to work. And I come around and I rebuilt it all. And I had the guys help me stack it back up, put the walls back up, so as that I wouldn't embarrass myself anymore. And I don't know what the hell these people, but oh boy. Anyway, folks, hey, thank you for watching our videos, and I hope this has been educational. This is a good one. This is one you need to learn from. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.